Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. It's been a long time since I've done a shoe unboxing, I think. I'm not too sure. I think it's been at least a month or two. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a few right now. I've got a few to do. So yeah, this is the one I'm going to be doing today, which is the Adidas EQT Support 9317. It was on sale on JD for £80. And yeah, so I decided to get it. I needed a new pair of shoes anyway. Most of my shoes are broken because of the laces and stuff, but yeah. Alright guys, let's have a look. It comes in the normal Adidas box. By the way, I don't like JD. JD is just awful anyway. I hate ordering off JD. Just look at this. How do you call this quality? Look at the box, guys. Hope the shoe itself is okay. But yeah, my experience with JD is very bad because normally if I buy in store, I wait for hours. Literally, we nearly waited for 1 hour waiting for one shoe. People just kept going in the back and hiding and stuff in the Manchester store, which was pretty stupid. But yeah, and then the manager came, helped us eventually to tell us that they didn't even have the shoe left in stock. So yeah, waste of my time. That's why I'm not a fan of JD. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So yeah, this is the box itself. It comes with 3 stripes, the normal Adidas box, the blue one. Adidas Originals, bit of rip there, I don't know what that is. Yeah, as you can see, they've sellotaped this back up somehow. So they've used this for something else. Scratches there. Box is damaged there. We've got Adidas sign there with the logo. Everyone knows this logo, it's a very nice logo. These shoes itself are quite nice, so yeah, let's go ahead and open this. It's very hot at the moment, guys, by the way. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. It motivates me to do more videos. Alright guys, so this is the wrapping paper you get with all Adidas shoes. It's the normal wrapping paper with this Adidas sign you can see. Or you might not be able to see. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to try to do it without revealing the shoe yet. Alright, so you got the highlighter version of the Adidas logo. Or neon version, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show the reveal now. You ready guys? Wow. Look at that guys, it's ripped. Look at that. Very ripped. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. Bloody hell. There you go. Whoa, look at that. So as you can see already, these are reflective. Let me take off the flash for you. If I can find the flash. Nope. This is a dual camera system, so I can't really turn off the flash like by putting my hand in front of it, like I could on the other phone. But yeah, I'm recording the Note 8 by the way guys. I might be able to... Oh, look at that. Yeah, you can tell now, can you? This is a... what do you call it? Reflecting. You can tell because I've thinking it. Let me lower the exposure. There you go. Can you see the 3 lines they're reflecting right now? Pretty nice on there guys. Alright guys, so look at the shoes. They're pretty nice. You got some sort of suede in there and stuff. I'm gonna take them out of the box now. Nothing else in the box. Damn. So yeah, nothing else in the box. Yeah, nothing else in there. Move these out the way. Alright guys, this is the shoe itself. Wow, there's some sort of good boost on there. Very powerful. I like it. Alright guys, I like the insoles as well, apart from this one because it's missing. It's literally missing. You can tell if they've given a used insole before, because both of them should say equipment, because I've had the shoes, loads of equipment EQT shoes before. It says equipment there, so basically like that. Everything should be the same as that on that one as well, because it's generic. But yeah, alright guys, we'll have a look at this shoe first. Alright guys, so this is the shoe. We'll look at it from the side first. By the way, I've laced these up beforehand. Oh shit, that's reflective guys. I didn't realize that. Oh shit, that's reflective as well guys. Oh my god, you can't tell though. Let me just... there you go. I'm gonna block this flash out. There you go. Can you see how it's normally black? You can't really tell with this flash on. That's the problem. They need a setting to turn the flash off. There you go guys. But yeah, so that's all reflective. That's pretty cool. I didn't even realize that myself. I've tied this up by the way, as you can see. So you got the Adidas sign here, EQT Advanced 9117. Oh, So it turns out the box is wrong as well. So it's actually EQT 9117, not 9317. My bad. I was going off the box, guys, so sorry about that. So yeah, the video will be labeled EQT 9117. Alright, so got the equipment, EQT sign there, which is reflective as well. That feels nice as well. It's like a nice rubber. Got, this is nice rubber as well. Got a nice little texture here. I'll zoom in so you can see. Nice breathable texture there. It's like a mesh type one with different colors, as you can see. We've got the lines here from the Swift Run and the basketball series, which is very nice. They really did well on this shoe. They mixed and match everything literally. They got some suede there with the EQT Support sign. That's pretty cool as well. Yeah, I've crop protected it already. You got plastic shield here. Let me just zoom out a bit. Plastic shield here to like a cage to keep it upright and stuff. And yeah, all this is suede again. We'll go around the shoe, guys. We'll have a look at the bottom in a second. All this is very soft, by the way. We'll look at that. And yeah, it's rigid as well, very rigid. It's sturdy and rigid. All this is plastic shell as well. More plastic shell here, and they got two options to do your laces. I'll put it all through the first one because that's how I saw the pictures, so I thought why not keep it like that. And yeah, so you got the laces here. They're reflective, as you can see, just from the side, not these actual laces. These are the laces that keeping the laces together. It's only one side that's reflective as well, not that side, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, let's have a look at the front. That looks like a basketball by the texture. That's pretty cool. That. Alright guys, we're gonna have a look at the boost now. It's actually got a ultra boost, sort of ultra boost. It's not the latest one, but it is something. So yeah, let's have a look at that. Look how thick that is, guys. This will absorb a lot of energy when you're walking around and stuff. That's pretty cool. I've actually already wore these to try them out. They're very powerful. You got the 3 Adidas signed logos here, by the way. Look at that. These are very thick. You can literally squeeze these, and I like how massive this edge is and how it comes out. It's very powerful. Look at this. Pretty cool, that. Really like it. Alright guys, we'll have a look at the other side. Other side's got the 3 Adidas sign logo as well. And now we'll have a look at the bottom. We've got the basketball sign there, and then grooves here for grip, and then you just got the normal styrofoam there, as you can see. It's a ultra boost, I think. Very soft, squidgy, spongy, whatever you want to call it. So it'll absorb some energy. It's not as good as the newest ultra boost, but it is pretty damn well. And yeah, let's have a look at the other shoe. Oh wait, we've not seen the inside. Oh yeah, also guys, these open up like that. Like they'll open up sideways. That's pretty cool, by the way. And please pray for me, I cut my hand. And yeah, alright guys, so the insole is green. It's meant to say EQT Support equipment ADV, as you can see, 9117. It's meant to say that there as well, but it doesn't, because JD probably sent me a used one. But oh well, like a store model, god knows. These were made in Vietnam, by the way. Size 10. I'm a size 10. These are actually very snug fit. So if you don't like a snug fit, then I'd say go up half a size. And yeah, let's have a look at these ones. Put these two together. Wow, look at them under the flash. What do you think, guys? Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm going to give you an on-foot review in a second. Just have a look at this. Tell me, what do you think, guys, when you see these? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put these on, and then I'll show you what they look like on feet. Alright guys, I just realized I've been recording in 4K, so I won't be able to edit this video. It's gonna cut off at 10 minutes. And yeah, so enjoy this 4K review, I guess. I should always check my video settings before I do it. But yeah, these are what it looks like on feet. Very nice. Please mind the laces. They're really reflective. Look how nice they are, guys. Show you the front. These are the front, the side, the back. Yeah, take these off and put them together so you can see. Make a nice thumbnail as well. Alright guys, what do you think? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Sorry about the rushed ending. I've literally run out of space. 10 seconds left of the 4K recording. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.